Have you ever wondered what to do when errors or alarms show up in your application? Let's break it down. Error and alarm handling plays a vital role for an application. Error and alarm handling is a critical part of any machine or motion application. When something goes wrong, the operator or programmer needs clear and meaningful information. What caused the issue and how it can be resolved. So the key questions are, where can we see the error or alarm information? How serious is the issue? Is it a function block error, an access-related issue, or even a critical system error on the GM1 controller itself? When an error occurs, the first step is always to check the hardware, starting with the control cabinet. For example, the display on the GM1 motion controller gives you a quick overview. From there, you can already judge whether it's a recoverable error or a more serious alarm that requires immediate action. The same concept applies to the miner's A6 servo drive. If an error occurs, the drive shows a specific error code directly on its display. Let's make this more concrete with a simple example. In our test setup, we're using a tooth belt system that's directly connected to a servo motor via a servo coupling. On both the left and right sides, you can see black mechanical end blocks. Now, using the appropriate function blocks in GM Programmer, we move the load to the right until it physically hits the mechanical block. As expected, an error occurs. On the servo drive display, we see error code 16.0. At the same time, the error LED on the GM1 controller lights up. In addition to the hardware indications, we can also read out the error directly from the relevant function blocks in our application. To get more detailed information about what this error actually means, we have a few options. First, you can look up error code 16.0 in the manual. Or you can use Panasonic's free commissioning tool. Directly from the GM1 application project, you can launch Panaterm via the menu and analyze the error in more detail. Once the root cause is clear, you can fix the issue and then reset the error directly in your project. If you'd like to dive deeper into error and alarm handling, feel free to book an on-site or online training session with one of our live trainers. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Panasonic Industry